Hello my friends, and let's start. September 23 challenge already got out, and let us see what we can do in under 10 minutes. Let's go first with this September 24. And so, remove the comment. Create 3 divs. Each has a different element, or R1, R2, different unique identity. First is the R1, the vertical rectangle. The color is this light here, light purple. But first, let's create a background for them. Body. Let's not use box shadow for now to make our life easier. So background, this purple color, and now let's make this R1. Select the R1 attribute, then put this on the center. Position absolute, margin auto. This is colon, then top, 0, bottom, left, and right. Why is this? Here we go again. There's something wrong about this. Margin on top, left. Left bottom right position margin. Okay, double colon here. Wait, position. Okay, this is colon. What mistake? Blender. Then let's increase the size of the height, and the width is decrease it by half. Now move this to the left. Negative value here, 100. Decrease the size of the width to 40 and move this to the right, 980. Check the diff. Move this to the right, 100. What happening? 60. Nope, 70, and then this is 45. 80, 90, 80, 90, 90, and this is 42. We are close, but not really. Not that really much. 40. No, I feel like 40 is not, the thickness is not really there. 41. This is frustrating. 22, 3, 24, 22, 88. Well, 44. Anyway, let's accept this 90 and 42 pixel width for now. Then let's style also the second rectangle, the top one. So this is, the height is much more shorter than the vertical one, so let's reduce bit 1 by 1/4, 150. Then it is on the center, yes, but we need to rotate it. Transform, rotate by 45 degrees. Then move this to the, let's uncheck this first. Move this to the top. Negative value here, 100. That's too much. 80. Also too much. 90, 60. Now move this to the left side. Wait, why is this? Maybe 60 is too much. Oh, that's correct. The thickness of the width is, let's reduce the thickness. Move this to the right by I mean left, putting negative value here. Then this. I think that is centered. We don't need to move it to the left. Well, it would look something like jogged. It's not really. See, the letter is moving 40. Let's go back 40. Hi. Move this to the top. 65. 70. Move this by 10 pixels to the left. Reduce the width to like 35. I mean the height to 140. Then make this center. Okay. To remove the excess. I would take this. This is taking too much time. Then copy the second rectangle for the third rectangle. This would represent the bottom, so increase the rotation by 90 degrees. So 45 plus 90, 135. This is R3 and what's the matter? R3. This is not F, R. Okay, now move this to the bottom by here. By the by reverting the value from negative to positive, and yeah, submit. We have no time to fit the two challenges in under 10 minutes, so maybe that's for another video. And wait, I wasn't able to see that. Let me quickly check how many percent is that. Let's pause this. Pagers. $99.4. Well, that's reasonable since it is still moving and all.